It's late at night, you're scrolling through Reddit, and you stumble across a post about a secret code hidden in a random image. It promises to lead you to a mysterious group, but the deeper you dig, the weirder it gets. Welcome to Odd Whys, where we unravel the strangest reasons behind the internet's wildest mysteries. Today we're diving into 3 unsolved internet enigmas that have baffled hackers, sleuths, and conspiracy nuts alike. Cicada 3301, Lake City Quiet Pills, and WebDriver Torso. From cryptic puzzles to shadowy websites and bizarre YouTube channels, these stories will make you question what's lurking in the digital shadows. So, grab your keyboard, maybe a tinfoil hat, and let's decode the internet's deepest secrets. Let's kick things off with Cicada 3301, the internet's equivalent of a treasure hunt designed by a mad genius. On January 4th, 2012, a cryptic image appeared on 4chan, the internet's chaotic playground. White text on a black background read, "Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. There is a message hidden in this image. Find it, and it will lead you on the road to finding us. Good luck." Signed simply, 3301. Sounds like the start of a sci-fi thriller, right? But this was real, and it sent the internet into a frenzy. The image hid a message in binary code, which decoded to a series of numbers spelling out a URL, 33GB.gs. Visiting it revealed another image, a duck of all things, with the text, "The duck is a reference to something. Find it." This launched a global puzzle hunt that felt like a digital Da Vinci Code. Solvers had to crack book ciphers, like one using The Gates of Fire by Stephen Pressfield, where specific words formed new clues. Others required steganography, hidden messages in images, or knowledge of encryption like RSA and AES. Some clues even led to physical locations, with GPS coordinates pointing to posters in cities like Warsaw and Seoul. Cicada 3301 didn't stop there. New puzzles dropped every January 4th for 3 years, each tougher than the last. In 2013, solvers tackled Tor networks for anonymity. By 2014, they were chasing clues across the globe. The stated goal? Recruit highly intelligent individuals. But for what? Theories abound. Is it the NSA or MI6 scouting coders? A hacker group like Anonymous? A cult? Or just an elaborate alternate reality game, ARG? No one knows because no one's ever won. The last verified message came in 2016. The path lies empty. Epiphany seeks the devoted. Liber Primus is the way. Liber Primus, a cryptic book of runes, remains unsolved, taunting codebreakers worldwide. The mystery's allure has inspired movies like Dark Web, Cicada 3301, and endless Reddit threads. It's the internet's ultimate brain teaser, proving that curiosity can turn a simple image into a global obsession. If you're still with us, you're smarter than most, because next we're diving into a Reddit mystery that's way darker. Stick around! Now, let's get creepy with Lake City Quiet Pills, a Reddit mystery that feels like it crawled out of a spy novel's darkest corner. In 2009, a user named You Religion of Peace, let's call him Milo, started posting weird stuff on the Our Religion of Peace subreddit. His posts were cryptic, with images of men in suits or with bags over their heads, paired with chilling captions like, "I'm not a killer, but don't push it." Yeah, that's not suspicious at all. Milo was allegedly behind a website called LakeCityQuietPills.com, which was even stranger. The site's name raised eyebrows. Lake City is a real US Army ammunition plant, and Quiet Pills sounds like a euphemism for bullets. The site featured photos and text hinting at hit jobs, with one post listing dates and locations that some thought were targets. Another showed a man with a briefcase, captioned, "Delivering packages is my specialty." Subtle, Milo, real subtle. Then, poof. Milo vanished. He deleted his Reddit account, leaving sleuths to pick up the pieces. They found hidden codes in his images, like numbers that decoded to US coordinates. Things got weirder when a user named 2to6, claiming to be Milo's hosting provider, posted more clues. This led to a Fark.com user, Angel26, who was looking for people fluent in languages like Arabic to deliver packages abroad. Internet detectives went wild, connecting the dots to the 2010 assassination of Mahmoud al-Mabhouh, a Hamas operative killed by pros in Dubai. Was Milo running a hitman ring? Or was this all a sick joke? Theories range from Lake City quiet pills being a front for mercenaries to an elaborate hoax or performance art. Some even think it's tied to real military ops, given the ammo plant connection. But no hard evidence links it to any crime, and the mystery persists. In 2019, a supposed Milo post resurfaced, but its authenticity is shaky. This one's like a digital ghost story. Every clue leads to more questions, and the truth stays just out of reach. If that gave you chills, wait until you hear about a YouTube channel that uploaded thousands of bizarre videos. Finally, we've got WebDriver Torso, the internet's weirdest YouTube mystery. In 2013, a channel called WebDriver Torso started uploading 11-second videos at a mind-boggling rate, sometimes one every 2 minutes. Each video showed 2 rectangles, one blue, one red, dancing around a white background to a series of sine wave beeps. Sounds boring, right? But when you're uploading tens of thousands of these, people notice. At first, WebDriver Torso was just another obscure channel, but as the video count skyrocketed, internet sleuths got curious. Was this an art project? A secret code? Alien signals? The speculation was endless. Things got juicier when 3 videos broke the mold. One, called TMPRKRRL85, turned the red rectangle into a dancing Rick Astley silhouette. Yep, a Rickroll. Another showed the Eiffel Tower at night, with a brief glimpse of the WebDriver Torso Facebook page. The third was an episode of Aqua Teen Hunger Force, but only French viewers could watch it for a €1.99 fee. Talk about random. The internet lost it. Forums buzzed with theories. Was it steganography hiding spy messages? A hacker prank? Then, in 2014, Google dropped the truth bomb. WebDriver Torso was their internal testing channel to check YouTube's video quality. The rectangles and beeps were just random visuals and sounds, easy to generate and compare those weird videos. Probably Google employees sneaking in some humor. So, mystery solved? Kind of. While we know it's Google, the quirky videos keep WebDriver Torso legendary. It's like finding out your haunted house is just a prank, but you still love the scare. This one proves that even the most mundane tech can spark a global obsession. There you have it, 3 internet mysteries that have kept us guessing for years. Cicada 3301's cryptic puzzles still taunt the world's best code breakers. Lake City. Quiet Pills haunts Reddit with its shadowy hints of danger. And WebDriver Torso, though explained, reminds us that the internet can turn anything into a legend. If these stories blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to Odd Wise, and hit the bell for more weird tales. Got a theory on these mysteries, or know another one we should cover? Drop it in the comments. We're all ears. Until next time, keep digging into the internet's strangest corners because the truth is always weirder than you think.